Do you know the colors of the rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. The rainbow starts with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Are you familiar with all of those? Indigo is a dark blue color, so really a rainbow has 2 different shades of blue. I hope that helps.
Let's make a rainbow out of bubbles. First, we cut the bottom of the water bottle so we only have the spout and part of the bottle left. Then I wrapped a baby wipe around the end and secured it with an elastic band. Next, I added drops of food coloring to the baby wipe to make a rainbow pattern. Then we dip it into bubble solution and blow through the spout. And look at this! The bubbles come out thick and foamy and full of rainbow colors. Such a fun, magical science experiment!
Using just borax and water, we can turn these regular pipe cleaners into a crystal rainbow. Let's go!
I mixed 2 cups of hot water with half a cup of borax and stirred it till it dissolved, and then I added my pipe cleaner rainbow. I let it rest overnight, and ta-da! The next morning, look at the amazing crystal rainbow! I love it! Let's make a magical rainbow. First, I trace the rainbow outline with white glue. Then I sprinkle salt on top. Now watch what happens when I add the watercolor. The paint spreads and it travels through the salt. This creates a beautiful, colorful effect. Isn't that amazing? It's like the rainbow comes to life. Let's make rainbow magic! I colored on a circle piece of paper towel and placed a drop of dish soap in the center, then placed it in a dish of milk. Whoa! Watch as the colors swirl and dance! The soap breaks the surface tension and pushes all of the colors out like fireworks! So cool! Can you guess what I'm making? That's right, it's a penguin, and not just one, a whole family of rainbow penguin friends. How cute! Happy crafting! Hi friends, let's make a walking water rainbow. If you draw a rainbow on both sides of a paper towel and then dip the ends in water, watch what happens. The water climbs up the paper towel and it carries the colors with it. This is called capillary action, just like how a plant drinks water from its roots. Cool, right? Try this for yourself and make your own magic rainbow. Happy experimenting! Place Skittles around the edge of a plate in rainbow order. Then pour warm water in the middle of the plate and watch what happens. Wow, the colors are spreading beautifully. Uh-oh, my plate wasn't flat. This didn't work perfectly. Let's try again. Wow, look at the colors spread. This happens because the coating dissolves and the water carries the color towards the center. Science is so cool. Try this at home and make sure you use a flat plate for the best result. Happy experimenting! Each level is going to take 4 pieces of paper. Take your paper and fold it in half, then fold the corners up and fold the top down. Tuck one of the top triangles inside and that's it. It's really just 3 folds per section. Make 4 of these shapes for each color. And then slide the corners together. And then we stack them. It's that simple. Each layer has 4 tabs that you can glue to the next layer. I made a simple base, slid those tabs in, and ta-da! You have a very cool, very geometrical looking decorative paper vase. Happy crafting! buds! This is just a friendly reminder that you only need 3 colors to make a rainbow. I use pink and yellow and blue. And when we mix our primary colors, we get the secondary colors. And now our rainbow is complete with orange and green and purple. Happy crafting! Let's make a rainbow bouncing egg. I colored my egg with markers. As soon as I put it in the vinegar, bubbles started to appear and the marker disappeared. After 24 hours, the vinegar looked foamy and murky. The vinegar reacts with the eggshell, made out of calcium carbonate, and all the bubbles are the carbon dioxide gas fizzing away. After 24 hours, the shell is dissolved and the egg absorbs the liquid. It makes it bigger, see-through, and bouncy. But it isn't a rainbow anymore. So, I'm adding a few drops of food coloring and putting the egg back in. What do you think will happen next? Come back tomorrow and see if our bouncing egg finally turns into a colorful surprise.